Good evening. I am D K Mahanta, CEO of Powerline Group of Industries from Guwahati, Assam. This is my first visit to Mesa, and it has been a really fruitful visit. We have come all the way from Assam to look at the new cutting-edge laser technology that Mesa provides to its customers. It has been a really fruitful visit. The hospitality has been excellent. I spent the entire day visiting the plant. The first thing that I noticed is the cleanliness of the plant. The second thing I noticed is the process that they go through. Everything is well maintained, everything is documented, and the most astounding thing about this plant is that it is going totally paperless, it's being totally digital, and every business owner should come here, even if they don't want a laser plan, to learn how to keep a production enterprise going. Hi, I am Mr. D K Mahanta, CEO of Powerline Group of Industries from Assam. Now we are the proud owners of a new laser cutting machine by the model name of FiberLight 3015 from MS Messer's cutting system. It has been a very smooth experience right from the time we first visited the plant at Coimbatore, where they were very courteous, and we were able to meet all the top management present there, who tried to understand our needs and then provide us the exact kind of product that we need. And I would like to give a special mention to Mr. Somen Dev, Mr. Vikas Kali Dev, and Mr. Tanmay Ghosh, who have made the entire sales and the after sales experience very enriching for us. So a big thumbs up from us, and hope this fruitful partnership will last into the future. Thank you so much.